Welcome to the automatic watchman with a cheap Chinese watch with 8 diamonds. You see them there? 8 diamonds, moon phase and tourbillon, and even I can use this for GMT. And now I show you how moon phase working and the 24 hours time. They go backwards or it's at right, because if you have this to north, then this go from east to west, like you see here. Sun go down, and moon come up. The night is 24 hours. Like I say, go backwards too. It's very nice. I never think about that before. You see the diamonds. Number 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. And tourbillon, yeah, okay. This is cheap tourbillon, of course, $20, you cannot go too much. And the diamonds is lab grown diamonds, cheap diamonds, of course. But it's nice, very nice, very nice. And it's automatic, it's important for me. I love automatic watches. You see, it's moving and pull up the watch. Very good, very good. It's worth the money, you see. Tourbillon take care of the gravity of a watch. When you're walking, you move the watch for that, and then this stabilizes the watch movement, so it's go exactly. Yeah, look at the watch, it's very nice, very, very nice. Okay, I shall change the strap to red one. This look good, very good. I have more things to do maybe. I don't know how to sell customers more, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. It's very nice watch. And this red one here, black and red, is very, very beautiful. That I shall have to my 3 watches from over. And this cheap Chinese watches. This brand, I don't say the name, you can see it by yourself. It's good brand, it's cheap brand. I like it. Yep, this look good with a red stripe. Very good. Very good. And you can see everything. Yep. Thank you for watching, and subscribe and thumbs up please. And next video gonna be a dual time, 2 watches in 1 watches. See you, bye bye.